Hi, this is Dave with C&H Auto here in Margate, Florida. And today, I'm going to bring you a different video than a truck cover or a truck bed accessory. This is a really cool product by Rough Country, and it's not what you're thinking, I guarantee that. So let's take a look over here. I just installed this on a 2012 F-150. They make it for a bunch of different trucks. This is made by Rough Country Off-Road Performance. This is their dual exhaust conversion kit. So if you have a truck with a single exhaust like the F-150 does, this is Rough Country's answer. It's an all stainless steel kit. The main pipes are T304 stainless. The tips are T409 dual wall stainless tips. Very nice tips. You can see it's got that nice, these won't get hot because they're dual wall. The nice thing with the Rough Country kit, you have the option. Do you want the tailpipes to come out under the side, or do you want them to come out under the bumper? They give you the pipes for both. A lot of kits, you have to make that decision when you're ordering it. These, we can put this on. We'll give you those extra pipes. You decide down the road you want a different pipe, bring it back to us. We can swap the pipes out. Now you can have it underneath. I did this because this is a little bit better for towing. When exhaust comes out the back, you can get some exhaust soot on your car. But I want to show you some of the nice features that they built into this kit. One of the biggest ones with any dual exhaust kit, some of them will tell you you have to remove the spare tire. The Rough Country kit does not require removal of your factory spare tire, which is really, really nice, because if you get a flat, you still have your spare. As you can see, very nice mandrel bent, not cheap crushed bent, not aluminized steel. Very nice heavy duty clamps. They use a chamber style muffler, which is also nice. It doesn't, less likely to drone on you when you're driving down the highway. This is a cat back system. Everything came in the box. Now, this, on this F-150, Rough Country says V8 models only. Well, this F-150 is an EcoBoost. It's a V6. So I said, well, I'm gonna try it. I'm gonna see what the difference is. There's one clamp. That's the difference between the V8 and the EcoBoost. And we're gonna start it up and let you hear it, and I guarantee you, you're gonna be kind of impressed with the sound that comes out of a V6 with twin turbos. Now obviously that's not under load, but you can still hear the turbo spool because on their system they get rid of the factory resonators. It's just that chambered muffler, and it gives you the dual exhaust option. So you're going to get a little better sound, and for a V6 I know it's never going to sound as good as a V8, but I think it sounds pretty good with the chamber muffler. I prefer chambered style mufflers, which is basically a Flowmaster style muffler on a V6. It just makes a better sound in my opinion. Like I said, I was thoroughly impressed with the quality that you get for the price point. For this truck specifically, it's about $500 to buy the kit, and the quality is there. The pipes are nice, the welds are nice, the cuts were perfect. Everything that you need comes in the box from Rough Country, and what we can install it right here. And it looks good. You tell us how you want the tips. You tell us exactly how you want that system to be set up. So if this is something you're interested in, you've been kicking around an exhaust, you already got your cover. They make it for a bunch of vehicles, your Chevys, your Rams, your Fords. Like I said, I wanted to test it on an EcoBoost because Ford sells more EcoBoosts than V8s, but Rough Country says this only fits on V8s. I proved them wrong. It works. So if you have any questions, feel free to come into the store. Ask for me or Chris. We can talk to you. We can show you some options, what you like. All their kits though are black tip, and those are not an extra charge. I know some manufacturers do charge extra for your tips. These come with the tips. Come into the store, talk to us, give us a call. We can walk you through it. We can do the install here for you and get you on the road with a nice new sounding exhaust on your truck. Once again, my name's Dave with C&H Auto. Please like and subscribe to our videos, and we're going to bring you more cool content with some different stuff that you might not think of a specific manufacturer or something like that. I like to do some off-the-wall stuff on these trucks, not the standard everything. Oh yeah, this and that, you know, running boards. Everybody does running boards. But if I see a cool running board, we're going to do a video on it. So like and subscribe to the video. Leave some comments. Tell us what you want to see, and we'll work on getting those videos out to you. Have a great day.